What I'm going to do for everybody is send everybody a template. What you're going to see when I send it is boards, and maybe this is going to be that size, and that's going to be that size. And I'm using the ARTBOARD tool. Maybe this one. So maybe I got a smaller one here. Maybe this one is actually like this. This is like a poster. This, let's say, is for Instagram. Let's say this one is a postcard, and maybe this one is some sort of flyer that you would pass out.
Okay.
Then on each one of these, you would have a different design with the logo. So the logo is on each one, but you'd have to resize it so it fits, and you'd have to reposition it too so it works in different ways.
Okay.
And then you would design this so that maybe there's a background color. Maybe you have your title. Here, most wanted, a delicious boba drink. And so you'd have to really think about how you want to design this.
Mm-hmm.
So it feels good for you. And then I'm just the font. So I like this Baloo font because it's rounded. It's like a bubbly font, right? Which is kind of matching what's there. But you design the logo yourself, of course. But in each one of these, you'd have to kind of think about the space because this is like a poster. So maybe this type is bigger, right? Because you want to fill the space. But each one of these, you have to think about the design and adjust it. So maybe on this one, it's going to be smaller. And you think about how you center it, how everything looks right. And then this one, maybe this is here, but you think about maybe spacing. Maybe you just change the spacing a little bit so it fills it up a little bit more. And so now you have variations. There. So now you have some variations, and then I have this last one. But each does, you know what I mean? It's a whole campaign, right? So everything's consistent, it all works together. But each one of these different items would be used for different purposes. So this would be your Instagram, your social media. This could be used as a print piece.